Stuck at the airport? Not sure what to say in English?
Let's fix that. In just a few minutes, you'll sound like a pro traveler.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Talk English Podcasts, your place to improve your listening, vocabulary, pronunciation, and confidence in real-life English. Today's episode is perfect for travel lovers, beginners, or anyone who wants to practice English in a real situation. After the conversation, I'll break it down and give you practical vocabulary, grammar explanations, pronunciation tips, and some fun speaking tasks. So make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment your favorite English travel phrase at the end. Let's go straight to the airport.
Hey, John. There you are. Wow, this airport is enormous.
Hey, Sarah? Yeah, it took me forever to find the right terminal. I almost walked into the arrival section by mistake.
Oh no, did you get through security already?
Not yet. I wanted to check in first. Do you have your passport and ticket?
Right here. Wait, I think I left my boarding pass in my backpack.
Don't worry, we've got time. Our flight isn't for another hour and a half.
Found it. Phew. Okay, let's go check in.
Hi, is this the check-in counter for flight 817 to London?
Yes, sir. May I see your passport and ticket?
Here you go.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check?
Just one. It's right here.
All right. Please place it on the scale.
I hope mine isn't overweight. I packed way too many shoes.
You and your shoes!
You're both good to go. Your gate is B12 and boarding starts in 45 minutes. Here are your boarding passes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's grab some coffee. That line was stressful.
Totally agree. I need caffeine before dealing with airport security.
I'll have a cappuccino. What about you?
Iced latte for me. So, are you excited?
Definitely. First time flying to London. I've wanted to go for years.
Same here. British accents, red buses, tea time, so much to experience.
I hope I can understand people there. The British accent sounds fancy, but fast.
Don't worry. After this podcast, we'll be pros at listening.
Attention passengers. Flight 817 to London is now boarding at gate B12.
That's us. Let's finish up and go.
Let the adventure begin.
Great job listening. Now let's break down some important language tips and grammar points from that conversation.
Check-in counter.
The place where you hand in your bags and get your boarding pass.
Terminal.
A section of the airport.
Boarding pass.
The paper or digital ticket that lets you get on the plane.
Overweight.
When your luggage is heavier than allowed.
Caffeine.
What's in coffee to help you stay awake?
Try using these in your own sentences and share them in the comments below. Let's repeat a few important lines. Listen and repeat after me. Try to speak naturally.
Did you get through security already?
Notice how did you becomes did ya in fast speech.
I think I left my boarding pass in my backpack.
Focus on left my native speakers say this fast, almost like left my.
Let's grab some coffee.
Grab is a casual way to say get. Try it in your own sentence.
Practice saying these sentences 3 times to improve your fluency. Past simple and present perfect.
Did you check in already? Past simple. Correct. Did you check in? Incorrect. Did you checked in?
Phrasal verbs.
Check in.
Register.
Get through.
Pass security.
Grab a coffee.
Buy quickly.
Exaggeration in conversation.
I packed like I was moving there.
Use like to make comparisons and jokes.
Try this.
I studied like my life depended on it. I packed like I was going to the moon.
Write your version in the comments. We'll read and our favorites.
If you found today's episode useful,
Give us a thumbs up.
tap subscribe so you never miss a lesson.
Comment below.
What's your dream destination?
What English phrases do you use when you travel?
Can you create a short travel dialogue using today's words?
You're not just listening, you're learning, practicing, and becoming a confident English speaker every day.
Thanks for spending time with us at English Through Podcasts.
Catch you in the next episode. And until then, safe travels and happy learning.